Hello everyone! In this video, I will to explain about circle. Before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Gede Reastiti. My last 3-digit number 071. I'm from 4A Mathematics Education. Some of the topics that I will explain include what is a circle, parts of a circle, circumference of the circle, and example of a circle in daily life. Let's see some pictures. The first picture. This is circle pizza. Measuring the diameter of the pizza enables the pizza maker to set the size of a pizza. They mix and measure that ingredients based on the size. The second is Ferris wheel. The shape of a Ferris wheel is a circle. This allows it to carry more people, because if it was any other shape, it would be harder for people to get on and off. And the third is camera lens. The camera lens has a circle shape. The degree of use of the curvature of the camera lens can be used to determine its focal length. And the last picture is a donut. Donut is a perfect example of a picture. The shape is prime factorization of the delicacy. It allows a baker induce a heat distribution to create delicious donuts. From some of these pictures, what is a circle? Circles are special ellipses that have a single constant radius around a center. A circle can be defined as a closed two-dimensional curved shape. We have a problem. Lisa needs a new bicycle tire. She found that the radius of her old tire is 16 inches. What is the circumference of the affair that she needs to buy? Understanding the situation is the first way to solve a problem. This time we are asked to find the circumference of the tire that Lisa needs to buy. But since we just encountered a technical term that is circumference, let us first define what is circumference. We have here a circle, and before we delve to the concept of circumference, let's review parts of a circle. Parts of a circle there are: the first is center. Simply put, the center of a circle is the middle of a circle. So, that's right here. All of the points around the circle will be an equal distance from that center. And the second is radius. The length of a line segment that connects the center to any point on the circle called radius. From the center to whatever point on the circle, they will all have the same measure, because all points on the circle are exact same distance from the center. And the third is chord. A chord is a line segment that connects two points on the circle. When two points on the circle are connected, and that's going to be a chord. And the last is diameter. Diameter is a very specific type of a chord. It is a line segment that connects two points on the circle but has but it has to go through the center of the circle. Diameter is that they are twice the length of the radius. The diameter is also equal to 2 times r, where r stands for the radius. Now, I will explain about what is circumference of the circle. Circumference is the distance around a circle. If we divide the circumference of the circle by its diameter, we always get the same number. That number is called by pi. To the nearest hundred approximately, the value of the pi is 3.14 or 22/7. Thus, the pi equals c divided by d. C stands for the circumference and d stands for the diameter. Now, let's tweak it to find for the circumference of a circle. The formula of circumference of the circle is c equals p times d, or it can also be c equals 2 times p times r, where c stands for the circumference, d stands for the diameter, and r stands for the radius. Let's jump into our example, where we have a circle with a given radius of 9 cm. Find the circumference of a circle. Let's see the picture. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, write out our formula, and we were going to use c equals 2 times p times r. And now, we can plug in the radius, and we have c equals 2 times 3.14 times 9. 3.14, which is the value of the pi, and 9, which is the radius of the circle. Let's continue. C equals 6.28 times 9, and we have C equals 56.52 centimeters. Let's try to apply this formula to the story problem that we just had earlier. Lisa needs a new bicycle tire. We found that the radius of her old tire is 16 inches. What is the circumference of the tire that she needs to buy? By this formula, let's now substitute it by the given data, the circumference. We have C equals 2 times 3.14 times 16. 3.14, which is the value of the pi, and 16, which is the radius of this bicycle tire. Let's continue. C equals 6.28 times 16, and we have C equals 148 inches. Therefore, the circumference of the tire is 148 inches. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you and goodbye.